If you're looking to get the most out of Mailchimp, you're probably wondering how Mailchimp integrations can help streamline your workflow. Well, in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Mailchimp integrations so you can make the most of this powerful tool. Stay tuned until the end, because I've got a special bonus for you that you don't want to miss. First off, let's dive into how Mailchimp integrates with your e-commerce platforms. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, Mailchimp connects seamlessly with these platforms, making it easier to sync customer data, track purchase behaviors, and create personalized email campaigns. This means you can automate follow-ups, cart recovery emails, and even send promotions based on past purchases, saving you time while driving more sales. Next thing, let's talk about social media integrations. Mailchimp doesn't just stop at email marketing. It allows you to connect with social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. By syncing your Mailchimp account with these social channels, you can target specific audience segments, track ad performance, and optimize your marketing efforts. You can even create ads directly from Mailchimp and run them across multiple platforms, all from one central hub. The third thing to consider is CRM integrations. If you're using a CRM like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho, you can sync your Mailchimp account to ensure all your customer data is up to date. This integration helps you create more targeted campaigns, segment your audience, and engage with your leads in a way that feels personal and timely. This could be a game changer for improving your customer relationships and boosting conversion rates. Next, let's talk about integrations with accounting and invoicing tools. Mailchimp can connect to platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and Stripe, making it easier to manage payments and customer transactions. This can save you time and reduce errors when managing finances or sending receipts after a purchase. Plus, you can create automated email workflows that notify customers about their invoices or payment status, helping you stay on top of billing without lifting a finger. The fifth thing to keep in mind is integration with analytics and reporting tools. Platforms like Google Analytics, Google Ads, and even Zapier can be linked with Mailchimp. These integrations allow you to get deeper insights into your email campaigns, website activity, and customer behavior. Understanding how your campaigns are performing is critical for making data-driven decisions, and these integrations help you fine-tune your strategy to get the best results. Now, one more thing. Let's talk about how Mailchimp integrates with your team collaboration tools. If you're using Slack or Trello, you can sync them with Mailchimp to get real-time notifications about your campaigns. This helps keep everyone on the same page, whether you're running a marketing team or managing projects with a remote team. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that Mailchimp integrations can save you a ton of time and effort when running your business. Whether you're managing customer relationships, boosting sales, or optimizing your marketing, these integrations make it all possible. And don't forget, you can try Mailchimp for free using the first link below, and you'll also get some exclusive bonuses. So, to sum it up, Mailchimp integrations can elevate your business by automating workflows, syncing customer data, and helping you manage your marketing more effectively. And don't forget to check out the link below to grab your exclusive extended free trial.